Welcome to the Share 123 DIY channel. Join the passion and fun.
Hello everyone, I'm so happy to have you here.
Life can change within a day. Living well is what you need. Feel it with the
Today, I'm going to share with you how I made these beautiful stylish crochet hook using old toothbrushes and ballpoint pens.
Take the time to make it right, to live your life. Find the one you need to
I like
love.
to save the toothbrushes that I like. Did you have your favorite toothbrushes?
Do not be afraid of the good things that are coming. There's so much more than what you see.
Let's get started with the fun projects. These are the stainless steel crochet hooks we're going to use. You can find them from Amazon.
There's so much more than what you see. It's not just about what you need.
My old
Take the
toothbrush.
time to make it right, to live your life. Find the one you need to love.
What's special about this toothbrush is that it has a shark or fish shape.
Do not be afraid of the
We are going to use the mouth of the shark for our crochet hook.
There's so much more than what you see. It's not just about what you need. Take the time
This thinner part will be the tail.
to live your life. Find the one you need to love. Find a peace within
Easily smooth out the edge with a sandpaper.
afraid of the good things that are coming. Every day is not the same. Life can change within a day. Living well is what you need. Feel it with the air you breathe. In the glow
Have a bowl
of
of
the
boiled water
stars
ready and soak the
and the
toothbrush
stripes
to become
we
soft.
fly, we gather as one beneath the open sky, with hearts full of hope and hands held tight.
Then bend to the
We
shape of
stand
tail.
for peace and freedom's light. This is our home, the brave and free, a land of love and liberty. With every voice,
Prepare drill
with
bits 1 over
every
8 inches short size first.
we carry
Then 1 over 8 inches longer size to fit the size of hook handle. You can ask husband or someone to help. Please make sure you're well protected before this operation.
rise
Drilling can help to have a clean finish.
in every eye. On this
You don't have to drill if your steel handle is short. You can also burn the steel hook handle then insert into the toothbrush handle. Insert the steel handle. To secure the hook I used UV glue.
in the glow of the stars and the stripes we fly, we gather as one beneath the open sky, with hearts full of hope and hands held tight. We stand for peace and freedom's light. This
Then I
is
used
our
E7000 glue to glue the googly eyes on.
brave and free, a land of love and liberty. With every voice, with every song, we carry each other
Now you have an adorable shark-shaped hook handle.
so light the sky. Let kindness rise.
Here is another cute-shaped crocodile toothbrush.
In every eye. On
But this time we're going to use the thinner side as the head of our hook.
hearts see, true strength lives in
Same technique to drill.
harmony.
Insert the steel hook handle.
I used to have dreams and I wanted to change the world, but the world just stays the same. Then I heard a voice saying, don't be so
Look how cute it is.
ain't so problematic. Stop all your static. You're alive.
It can stand up as well.
Tragic if you thought that you had to live life like that. And the voice said, stop.
Here are some other toothbrush hooks with their own characters.
Go and do something that makes you happy. Stop it right now. Get up and get out. Go and do something.
This is a ballpoint pen with mermaid tail filled with glitter liquid. It's so cute, I love it. It got everything we need. Just need to figure out to disassemble the parts and insert our handle.
Get up and get out. Go and do something that makes you happy. Started slow, but I was taking it day by day. My thoughts went from gray to white, then from white to yellow. I can't believe I almost threw it all away. What a waste.
I found this one from Dollar Tree.
And I thank God every day that I stopped.
Secure with UV glue.
Was so problematic, all of my static. I was alive, and it would have been tragic if I thought that I had to live life like that.
If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Your encouragement is very important to me. Thank you.